This dance is called Loslappie. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance with one restart. Starting on the right foot. You're going to step the right to the side, left beside right, right beside left. And repeat with the left. Left to the side, right beside left, left beside right. Now those are actually slightly quicker timing steps, or the first step is. So you're actually going to be almost jumping to the side with that first step, and close, close, and then you go back and close, close. So the first step is done on the and count, 1, 2, and then the and count again, 3, 4. You're then going to step the right, small step to the side as you sway right, left, and you can wave your arms as you can see I'm doing at the same time. Do that section once more then. And close, close off on that right. 7, 8, and close, close, and close, close, sway, 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 sway. 4 sways. You're then going into some vines. So we're going to vine to the right, stepping the right to the side, cross that left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, and as you do so, clap. You're then going to vine back to the left. So you can step the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side, and again, as you touch the right beside the left, this time double clap, so 2 claps. Do those vines once more off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. So 2 claps on the second one. Now the choreographer has given you an option for the second vine, in that if you wish you can turn it into a rolling vine. So you will vine to the right with your touch. If you want to roll back the other way, quarter turn left as you step forward on that left, half a turn left as you step back on the right, and then a further quarter of a turn to the left as you step that left to the side. You'll then touch and do your double clap. Optional turning steps should you wish to put a rolling vine in there. Now I'm going to carry on doing the choreographed steps of just the normal vine when it gets to that point. So let's add that to the top. And close, close off on the right. 7, 8, and close, close, and close, close, sway, 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 sway. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. You're now going to add on a fall away, but this fall away is actually going to make a full turn. So you're going all the way around, and effectively you will be drawing a diamond on the floor. So you're going to step your right diagonally forward, facing 130. Make a further 1/8 of a turn as you step the left to the side, so you're now facing 3 o'clock. Further 1/8 of a turn to the right as you step back on that right, so you're now facing 4:30. Step the left beside the right as you face the back wall. And you're going to repeat that going back the other way. So you're going to step that right forward into 7:30, left to the side as you face 9 o'clock, right back as you face 10:30, left beside right as you face 12 o'clock. So they're 1/8 of the turns each time. Brings you right back round to where you started from. Let's try that once more off on that right. So you step forward, making 1/8, side making 1/8, back making 1/8, feet together making 1/8. Forward, making 1/8, to the side, making 1/8, back, making 1/8, and then together, making that last 1/8. Just do that once more for you off on that right. 7, 8. Step, side, back, close, step, side, back, close. So you are doing a full turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, step the right diagonally forward to the right, touch the left beside the right, so we're not turning at all. You're then going to step the left diagonally forward to the left, step the right beside the left. Now we're going to come back the other way. So you're going to step the left diagonally back to the left, touch the right beside the left, step the right diagonally back to the right, and then step the left beside the right. So you're still making that diamond shape, you're just not turning. So non-turning steps should you need to take that full way out. So let's add that to the top. And close, close off on the right. 7, 8, and close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Step, side, back, close, step, side, back, close. To end the dance, we're doing some toe switches. So you're going to touch your right toe forward, step the right beside the left. Touch your left toe forward, step the left beside the right. Make a quarter turn to the right as you touch your right toe forward, step the right beside the left, touch your left toe forward, step the left beside the right. Do that once more, toe switches off on that right. 7, 8, toe and toe and toe and toe and. Remember it's right, left, and you turn with the second right. That is the end of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. And close, close off on the right. 7, 8, and close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Step, side, back, close, step, side, back, close. Toe, and toe, and toe, and toe, and. So that is your dance. The only and counts you have are in that very first section, and close, close, and close, close. The rest of it, single count timing steps. But it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And close, close off on the right. 7, 8, and close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Step, side, back, close, step, side, back, close. Toe, and toe, and toe, and toe. And close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Step, side, back, close, step, side, back, close. Toe, and toe, and toe, and toe. And close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Step, side, back, close, step, side, back, close. Toe, and toe, and toe, and toe, and. That is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 8 after 28 counts. So you basically only do 2 of your toe switches, you don't turn, you restart. So wall 8 will be our 9 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 28 counts. and a restart. And close, close off on the right. 7, 8, and close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Step, side, back, close. Step, side, back, close. Toe and toe, restart, and close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. 28 counts into wall 8. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to bit of music.
Hoe ik wil huis toe gaan, naar mama toe. Die virus van my tranen op. Rokkie wat vanavond by my wil wees. Sy kan maar ek is 'n loslappie.
5, 6, 7, 8, and close, 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 close. Sway, 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 sway. Side behind, side touch. Side behind, side touch. Step, side, back, close. Step, side, back, close. Toe and toe and toe and toe. And close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. Side behind, side touch. Side behind, side touch. Step, side, back, close. Step, side, back, close. Toe and toe and toe and toe. Close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. Side behind, side touch. Side behind, side touch. Step, side, back, close. Step, side, back, close. Toe and toe and toe and toe. And close, close, and close, close. Sway, 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 sway. Side behind, side touch. Side behind, side touch. Step, side, back, close. Step, side, back, close. Toe and toe and toe. And close. Bind. Diamond. Toes. And close. Vines. Roll away. Toe switch. And close. Vines. Pull away. Toe switch. And close. Should we start wall? Vine. Pull away. Toes. Restart and close. Vine. Pull away. Toes. And close. Vine. Pull away. Close. And close. Vine. Pull away. Toes. And close. Vine. Hope you managed that one.